Barbie pink tortilla chips with pink guacamole. Yay! Oh my god, so cute. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm just a Barbie lover in my childhood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. Yay! So let me show you something. Ta-da! Look! I'm super excited already today. So I made this pink tortilla chip and pink avocado dip guacamole. I made these from scratch, literally from scratch. I'm showing you this recipe today. Please enjoy watching, and at the end I'm gonna taste it. Okay, let's start making pink corn tortilla. In my pink bowl, bread flour, cornmeal, and salt. I'm not sure if I should put beet powder right now, but let me put a little bit because today I really want to make it really pink. I might put even more beet powder later. And let's mix. And I'm making beet powder paste. It's just hot water with beet powder. And put vegetable oil. More water. So far it looks so pink. Wow, it looks pretty good right now. Too slimy maybe. Wrap it and leave it for 20 minutes. Roll with rolling pin and make it really thin. I'm spreading by hand. Now I wanna cut these. I know it's not really square, but it should be fine. Ready! I'm not deep frying, but I'm gonna bake because that's healthier. And sprinkle Parmesan cheese. Put it in the oven. Yay! I overbaked a little bit, but so far it looks perfect. It's pretty pink. Yay! Oh my gosh! They look pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna let them dry. Let me try this little one. Pretty good. Yay! I made these pink tortilla chips. They look perfect pink and they're really tasty. I already tasted and yeah, so they turned out really good. Now I need a dip, guacamole dip. So let's start. Looks so yummy. I love avocado. I'm gonna mash anyway. One more. Okay, it's enough, I think. And need tomato. I know, I'm not even washing the knife. Saving water. I'm chopping them into smaller pieces, like really small. Okay, put in there. I need an onion. I put onions. Now I'm gonna put sour cream. And little mayonnaise. And pink salt. And black pepper. I squeeze fresh limes. Now let's mix them. Mashing avocado. Let me try with just powder. Actually, it does. Maybe I can just put bit powder. That's not too much bit powder, I know, but I just wanna, make the color pinker. Yep, now it's pink. You don't need to dissolve with hot water first because it gets soggy like mine. But you can just put bit powder itself. Yeah, and it's pink now. Yay! Let's put on plate. Looks so pink. Super cute. More. Yay! Barbie pink tortilla chips with pink guacamole. Yay! Oh my god, so cute. I almost don't want to eat it. It's too cute. Oh yeah, let's eat it. Yay! Turn out like this. I even used this cornmeal today. I have never made tortilla chips from scratch, even the regular one. So I wasn't sure if I could do this or not, but it totally looks so cute. Looks so good. Looks so good. Oh my god. Let me try. Let me try. Okay, let me try. せーの。いただきます。Pick one. おいしい! This is literally wow. I want to try one more. I really didn't want to do deep fry, non-fried chips. So I only bake. It's definitely healthier than when you deep fry, I cannot stop it. This is perfect for your pink themed party. My pink food recipe cannot just be cute. It also has to be tasty. That's my recipe. Oishi. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.